Keeping track of your company's assets while making sure that your organization is in full compliance with all legal agreements is an important task that saves you time and money. At ITM, we provide you with solutions to managing your systems more effectively. Businesses often use old-school methods of spreadsheets and manual databases, leaving room for misinformation and human errors. Using the right software and implementing a centralized system that contains and organizes your inventory helps your business avoid unnecessary maintenance expenses and improves your overall efficiency and reliability. At ITM, we offer IT asset management software and license management to manage your IT department. Our services include asset auditing, procurement management, network discovery, and service desk feature. We optimize the procurement process by giving you at least 3 of the best possible choices for your approval. We also keep track of your hardware, such as printers, routers, and mobiles, even those which do not use internet. You are assured that your company has the right processes and tools in place to monitor software usage, reallocate licenses as they become available, and have the right level of vendor support. We provide everything from procurement to payment. Asset auditing. We will come at your doorstep and verify every asset you have, give you inside picture of lost or stolen asset, valuation of asset for compliance, scrap asset info to make money. Choose among 3 of our IT asset management plans to discover which support you need for your business: Premium, Professional, and Ultimate. All services are ISO 27001 and CFR compliant. To learn more about our services and to find the one that fits you best, click on this link or chat with us on our website.